Hi, today we're out here in Westlake, Ohio. This building's about a 25-year-old office building. We have actually been doing the roof maintenance on this thing for about the last 15 years. We're finally getting ready to go ahead and install a new roof on here. We're using CertainTeed Landmark Pro in pewter. On the inside of this, you're not going to be able to see it from this angle. There's actually a EPDM flat roof that's inside there. We're going to do some maintenance on that. Clean up the seams. There's a section that's about 200 square feet that we have to cut out because it's got some wet insulation. We're going to put a new patch in there with some new insulation, and then after all that's done, we'll clean the rubber really well, and we're going to install a white silicone roof coating that will have a 10-year warranty on it. This job is a little difficult because it's so high up in the air, a little steep. If you notice some people that seem like they're in two different harnesses, we've got a harness that's OSHA approved that is attached to the back. Then we also, if we're rappelling backwards down the roof, they're also using what's basically for rock climbing, and it is a front harness tie-off spot. This allows them to stand with their back towards the edge of the roof and have all the weight on the actual harness in the front, but we can't use just that for OSHA purposes. For OSHA purposes, you have to have a full body harness, and it has to be attached between the shoulder blades, so if you do fall off the roof, you're actually supported across your entire body. If you have any questions or want to know any answers to some of the stuff that we do, just please leave a comment, reach out, and be happy to answer any questions.